Hello, my name is Nikki Drake, and in this video, I'll be discussing how to download the Zoom desktop client. First, you'll need to access the internet using a browser. In this example, we're going to use Google Chrome. Once you have Google Chrome open, you can type into the address bar the following: zoom.us. Once you're at the Zoom homepage, you can sign in using your free Zoom account information. We're going to use the information from our previous video to sign in. So for the email address, betsyross955@gmail.com, and the password we created was daisy1423! Once we're signed into our Zoom account, it says, "Let's get started. Download Zoom to your computer. Join and schedule meetings directly from your Zoom desktop client." This will allow us to easily access Zoom to join meetings in the future. So we're going to press Download Now, this blue button. Once you press that, it redirects you to zoom.us/download, as you can see in the address bar. This is the Zoom Download Center. We're going to download the Zoom desktop client, and as you can see, it says the web browser client will download automatically when you start or join your first Zoom meeting, and is also available for manual download here. We're going to do this by pressing this blue button that says Download. Once you press that, you can see here that the Zoom US installer package is downloading at the bottom here, and we have to wait for this circle to fill up. Once it's done, go ahead and press your Zoom US installer.pkg. Now you can see this window is open with Install Zoom. It says, "Welcome to the Zoom installer. The Zoom desktop client brings together team chat, phone, whiteboard, meetings, contacts, and over 1,500 native integrations and apps to make connections that matter. To stay up to date on the latest feature enhancements, subscribe to our blog at Zoom Blog and follow us on social at Zoom. Looking to take Zoom with you on the go? Download our mobile app. By clicking Continue, you agree to our terms of service and privacy statements." We'll press Continue. Select a destination. How do you want to install the software? We'll do it for Install for all users of this computer, and we'll press Continue. It says this will take up 289.2 megabytes of space on your computer. Click Install to perform a standard installation of the software for all users of this computer. All users of this computer will be able to use this software. So we're going to press Install. Installer is trying to install a new software, so I have to put in my password for my computer, which I'll put in right now. And we'll press Install Software. So you wait for this to load. And now we have Zoom. And now we're in our Zoom client. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that was helpful in learning how to download the Zoom desktop client, and please join us for our next video in which we detail how to create a Zoom meeting using the Zoom desktop client and inviting participants to the meeting. Thank you.